In your globe ceiling fan box, you will find the fan motor housing, mounting bracket, assembled down rod, canopy, decorative cover, canopy ring, remote control, receiver kit, mounting accessories, and your instruction sheet. To install your ceiling fan, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver. Disassemble the down rod. Remove the locking pin from the down rod, then remove the 2 hanger ball screws. Slide the hanger ball off the down rod and remove the cross pin. On the motor housing, loosen the 2 base screws to allow the down rod placement. Certain models may feature an additional safety cable. Proceed with the installation as usual and keep the safety cable alongside the fan wiring. Carefully feed the wiring through the down rod. Once through, place the down rod into the fan motor housing and align the holes accordingly. Secure by reinstalling the locking pin. Then, tighten the screws until you feel resistance. Next, slide the decorative cover onto the down rod. Then add the canopy cover ring. Ensure it is facing upwards. Finally, add the canopy. Next, slide the hanger ball back onto the down rod and reinsert the cross pin into the large hole. Raise the hanger ball and nest the crossbar in its groove, ensuring all the screw holes align accordingly. Reinstall the 2 screws and tighten well to ensure the hanger ball is properly secured. Your fan is now ready to be mounted. From the electrical panel, turn off the power and consult a qualified electrician as needed. Using your junction box's pre-existing screws, secure the included mounting bracket to your ceiling's junction box. Then, loosen the mounting bracket's canopy screws. Lift the assembled fan to the ceiling and place the hanger ball into the mounting bracket opening. Rotate the fan as needed to ensure the groove on the hanger ball drops into the slot on the bracket and sits firmly. For models featuring the safety cable, secure it now. Slide the receiver into the mounting bracket. Then connect the 2 cables from the motor housing to the receiver, the first to its matching colored cable, and the second directly into the receiver. Then connect the H1 wires to the receiver. Next, insert the hot black wire from the junction box into the quick connect clip on the black H1 wire, and insert the neutral white wire from the junction box into the quick connect clip on the white H1 wire. Finally, connect the junction box's ground wire and all ground wires from the fan together using the wire nut. Next, lift the canopy. Align the keyholes to the mounting screws and rotate clockwise to lock into place. Tighten the screws to secure. Then, raise the magnetic canopy ring to connect it to the canopy. Install the remote's backplate to the wall using the included screws, then mount the remote to the magnetic plate. Once installed, turn the power back on from the electrical panel. Turn the switch on. You can now control your ceiling fan from anywhere in the room using the wireless remote. To turn both the fan and light on and off simultaneously, press the globe logo button at the top of your wireless remote. To only turn the fan on or off, press the fan button in the middle of your remote. Once on, you can control the fan's speed by pressing the numbered buttons. For directional control, press the relevant arrow buttons. To push cool air down, press the button with the 3 arrows down graphic on the left. To circulate warm air, press the button with the 3 arrows up graphic on the right. To individually turn the fan's light on or off, press the bulb button located in the lower half of the remote. Once on, you can increase or decrease the light's brightness using the up and down arrow buttons. Use the 2 up and down sun buttons to cycle through the 6 available white lighting options. Select the light you need, whenever you need it, with Globe's Ambience select. Globe, the creative energy company.